Can lifestyle changes help you manage your autoimmune disease? Well, this question is something that I have always wondered, that if I change my lifestyle, will I be able to handle my autoimmune condition? Hi, my name is Pramila Gupta and I've been living with RA for the past 11 years. So let me explain you how changing my lifestyle helped me with my autoimmune disease. Before we begin this, let's first understand that why does one get an autoimmune disease in the first place? So, our immune system, which is responsible for protecting us against harmful pathogens, bacteria, invaders that enter our body, when it goes haywire and it starts attacking our own healthy cells, this leads to inflammation in the body, and that inflammation comes in when it is in our joints. That is when we have redness, swelling, and pain, extreme pain in the joint. And this is referred to rheumatoid arthritis. It can come in any other place too, and there are different kind of autoimmune diseases that one can get because of this inflammation. The foremost thing which I also endorse that one must do is to go on medication. So when you start this medication, you are given something which is called DMARDs, which is a disease modifying drug. So when you take that, it controls the immune system's attack, and these medications are extremely essential to control your disease. This is just one piece of the puzzle. There are many other things that one has to look if you want to manage your disease well. So let's begin with an holistic lifestyle approach. What does that mean? When we look beyond the physical aspect of our body, only the symptoms and conditions, when we look beyond that and we try to find out reasons as to why did this happen to us, we dig deeper into our mind and the soul. When all of it we look together, that is when we actually approach the disease in a holistic manner. So, when we address these areas in a comprehensive manner and we create an environment where we start healing gradually, the inflammation starts reducing, and that is what is referred to as wellness. The first thing that we have to look at is our mind. So, the mind plays a very important role in this health journey. So, one of the reasons that we are looking at the mind first is because one of the most easiest way to get an autoimmune condition or to trigger a flare up in an autoimmune condition is because of stress. So when you find out that your lifestyle has too much of stress in it, and you start adopting practices like meditation, like mindfulness, and different kind of therapies and different kind of things, you start deep breathing, things that you do to reduce and manage your stress in a better way, you will see that your mental state starts getting better, and when your mental state is better, your disease also starts getting better. Then the second thing that you have to focus on is the body. After the mind is the body. So for the body, we have already begun with the medication, which is helping you reduce the inflammation caused by the immune system. Other than that, we have to see what is it that we are eating. So our anti-inflammatory diet, a nutritious diet which is full of food which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and rich in antioxidants, polyphenols. These are the things which will help you reduce inflammation. These foods are green leafy vegetables, fruits, and whole grains, and the certain kind of foods that you remove from your diet, which increase inflammation, like dairy, like gluten, like smoking, alcohol, reducing stress level. All of these things, when we do it simultaneously, that's when we see that even our body is working at an optimal level. We have to introduce more exercise into our routine, and keep our joints more supple and more healthy. So this is the second part, which is the body, which we have to take care of. The third part that we often neglect is the soul. So, how do you nourish your soul? That is again something that you have to look deep inside you, and you have to start doing self care, self practices that help you get understand yourself in a much better way. When you know yourself better, when you know what is your purpose of life, what is it that you love and enjoy doing, when you start helping other people, when you practice spirituality in its own way, in whatever way that resonates with you, when you do all of these things, even our soul starts feeling satiated. We feel good about ourselves, we feel good about our environment, and that all again helps us heal faster. So when we integrate all of these, when we do all of them, that sets the stage for a holistic lifestyle or a holistic journey, which when your mind, your body, and your soul, all of it is in harmony, and the inflammation level, it starts reducing, and we start experiencing well-being. So that's what I would like to tell you, that yes, you can manage an autoimmune disease by making changes in your lifestyle, and do consider making these changes and seeing the difference in your pain and difference in your stiffness and the fatigue that you might be experiencing with an autoimmune condition. So if you have liked this video, and if you've got some insight about how to live a holistic lifestyle, do like and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be talking a lot about autoimmune diseases and about a holistic lifestyle, and how to bring about these changes in our life so that we can feel better. Thank you, and live well.